Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the lead formatter actor by PriceForge, which you can find on Apify. It's used to clean, format, and enrich lead data using AI, specifically for cold email campaigns and CRM preparation. This actor takes messy lead lists like this one and turns them into clean professional data like this one. It formats names, company names, job titles, and phone numbers, enriches missing information like websites and industries, and can even generate personalized cold email lines and short case studies using AI. So this is with all the features enabled. So, how does it work? The first and most important input is the leads file. You upload your leads using the leads filed field. You can upload CSV files, Excel, or JSON files. For Excel files, the actor uses the first sheet automatically. For JSON, it expects an array of lead objects. The actor automatically detects column names, even if they're written differently. So it'll grab things like first name even if they're spelled differently. In this first example, I'm just doing basic formatting. I'm enabling company name formatting, job title formatting, and phone number formatting. But remember, you can choose any of the options you'd like. You can also clean your dataset by removing empty rows and removing duplicate leads. Duplicate leads are detected by email address, so each contact only appears once in your final output. You can also segment your leads by fields like country, industry, or job title. Each segment is saved into its own dataset, which is perfect for targeted campaigns. Once everything is configured, you simply hit Start. We'll let the actor do its magic, and then we'll see the results. When the run finishes, you'll see a clean dataset with formatted names, standardized phone numbers, enriched company information, and any optional AI-generated content. This is immediately ready to export as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. You can see the original leads data in this file. And as you can see, there's unformatted data here. And you can compare how the actor has cleaned up the data in here. This actor is ideal for anyone doing cold outreach, CRM cleanup, or lead enrichment at scale. Instead of spending hours formatting spreadsheets, you can process hundreds of leads in minutes. You can run the lead formatter directly on Apify and adapt it to your own lead workflows with just a few clicks. Now remember, if you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. And if you like this actor, go ahead and leave us a review. Thank you.